Hello, this is Scott. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I cover a variety of different data science topics, including analytics, visual discussions, open source platforms, which we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about R, but also I cover commercial platforms as well. Anyway, today we're going to continue on with our graphics series in R. And so if you've been with me, you're going to see these under R, XX, series. Today we're going to talk about trivariate displays and specifically talking about cloud and cubes. So I'm going to launch a couple of packages here. I'm not sure actually if I need all of these, but I've been using these in the series and rather than go back. So the cloud package and part of these trivariate displays, essentially, there's really, I think there's four high-level functions that are part of Lattice, and they produce these trivariate displays. One of them is cloud, which we're going to talk about today, which creates three-dimensional scatter plots of unstructured trivariate data. And then there's a level plot and a contour plot and a wireframe, which we'll be getting into as well in the next few. So with that, you can get help on cloud here. I'm just going to execute that. And so you get the 3D scatter plot help menu, and you can go through that at your leisure. So I'm going to use this quakes data. This was actually from a previous video that we did, and it's the magnitude of quakes in Pacific. And so I'm just going to put that data into a data set, and then I'm going to produce these with this cloud. I'm going to produce our first graph, which is essentially these magnitudes displayed in four different displays. And then you can see here the parameterization that I used with that that cloud panel. All right, and so this is the information from Sarkar, and you can see if I execute this cloud as well, and then I execute this P, and then what I can do is I can actually create rotations. So what I'm setting up to do is I'm setting up to do 6 panels with the various rotation of the quake data, right? So rotation for the Z-axis, rotation for the Y-axis, and then I'm going to update this panel information here. All right, so you can pause the video, you can reconstruct this, or you can go to Sarkar, which I've shown before as a reference, and then you can get the various rotations across here. So that's just a very simple, quick video on cloud and trivariate data using the earthquake data. And next time we're going to get into this state info, but I'm going to keep these separate and I can keep them short. So hopefully you'll join me there. Thank you very much.